Hey everyone, in this video I want to show you how to create the Runaway Aurora trend video which is going around on TikTok. This is a fun video and can be done by anyone. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you found this useful and it gave you some value. So as you can see, it's a simple video with some stills in between with some aesthetic background behind the subject. The amount of stills you want in the video is totally up to you. So on your iPhone, open up the Instagram app. Now go to your story and swipe all the way to the right to browse effects. Click on search and search for Runaway Aurora. Now you want to select Runaway Aurora by Rosalinda Fajar. Add it to your camera library. Now go back to your Instagram story camera view and find the Runaway Aurora effect from the sliding options. On the left hand side of the screen, tap on the down arrow, then tap on hands free. This will help you record on Instagram by yourself. Now set your scene, make sure you have a bright light behind you, so record facing your back to the window or to a bright sky behind you. This will give a nice silhouette effect in the video. On the screen, I've put down the time where you need to pose for the effect to work. The full duration of this effect is 30 seconds, but it is totally up to you if you want to video yourself for the full 30 seconds or just half. To begin with, you have the first 7 seconds to get ready for the first effect. After that, the screen freezes and the effect starts every 1 second. So keep changing your pose after that. Once you're happy with the video, then download it to your phone using the download tool at the top of Instagram story. If you did it for 15 seconds, then you need to download only one video. If you did it for 30 seconds, then there'll be 2 videos. Now open your TikTok app and press the plus sign to create a TikTok video. Select the upload button and select your video. If you have more than one, then select another one as well. Select the upload button and select your video. Then press next to enter the TikTok's editing screen. Here tap on sound and search for Runaway Aurora. Choose the first line and select volume. Mute the sound from TikTok and let the music from the video play. From here you can add your text, stickers, captions and hashtags, then post it on TikTok. And there you go, that is how to create the Runaway Aurora trend video for TikTok. My name is Karthik and you're watching The Simple Dad. Thanks for watching, see you in the next one.